Hello, I'm Kevin Drum, president of Broome Community College. During my first 8 months in the Southern Tier, I've visited numerous businesses, and it is more evident than ever that Broome Community College plays a pivotal role in serving as an economic engine for our region. In addition to preparing students for jobs in constantly evolving marketplaces, BCC delivers approximately 200 training programs annually to companies and organizations. Typical training programs include lean manufacturing, leadership development, sustainability and technology upgrades, along with many more. In addition, the college is entering its 5th year as part of the statewide Entrepreneurial Assistance Program. This fall, nearly 30 fledgling entrepreneurs have begun a 60-hour training program, which consists of writing a business plan, developing marketing strategies, and learning how to acquire funding for their business ventures. Last year, BCC received an award for the most small businesses started and retained throughout the state of New York. To date, more than 100 entrepreneurs have received training and assistance through the Entrepreneurial Assistance Program. For 60 years, BCC has been a leader in workforce development, and I'm more committed than ever to support the economic and workforce requirements of our region. Whether you are a new venture or long established and looking to identify and expand into new markets, we are at your service to provide you with access to top quality instruction and the guidance to improve your business success. Please call on us for your large or small business needs. Contact BCC Continuing Education at 778-5012.